You guys, welcome back. Today I'm making Tom Kha Gai, a coconut galangal chicken soup known and loved by many. The medley of aromatics used gives this soup a smooth and comforting flavor that will cradle your taste buds. Let's prepare some aromatics. I have enough Kaffir Lime Leaves growing this year. Let's harvest some. Their floral zest will provide a vibrant flavor. These are the lower half of lemongrass stalks. Crush them a bit like this so that it can release its essence into the soup. And galangal, which reminds me of a combination of citrus and pine forest, has a refreshing, stimulating aroma and flavor. Cut them into thin slices like this. Kaffir lime leaves, naturally double-lobed leaves. Separate them and roughly tear them to allow it to release its flavors. For more aromatics, shallots. Smack them a bit to release its flavors. For toppings, I have scallion, culantro, also known as sawtooth coriander, and cilantro. And the same for red chilies. Cut them. The amount here is up to you. A bit of oil, and dry chilies. Fry on medium heat until the chilies develop a deeper red color like this. Take them out quickly to prevent burning. They're crispy, nutty, and aromatic. I'm using two varieties of mushrooms. Straw mushrooms and oyster mushrooms. Any Asian variety will work well, but avoid shiitake mushrooms because the flavors are too strong and will overpower this soup. and for main protein, I'm using chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. On medium heat, in goes water. Galangal, lemongrass, and about 2/3 of the Kaffir Lime Leaves. Save the rest for later. Gently boil for 5 minutes and allow these aromatics to infuse its essence. It smells incredible. Let's add in the chicken thighs and boil them. Some salt, as it boils, skim off the impurities here. In goes tamarind concentrate. And in goes the shallots. Allow this to boil for a bit until the chicken is almost cooked. When the chicken is almost cooked, add in coconut milk and bring the heat down to medium-low. Add in the mushrooms. Season with fish sauce, sugar to balance, in goes red chilies and the fried dried red chilies. And lime juice in towards the end to preserve its vibrant flavor. Follow with the rest of the Kaffir lime leaves and scallion, culantro, and cilantro. Allow the flavors to come together for a minute or so and shut off the heat. Taste and adjust the flavors to your liking. Here we have it, Tom Kha Gai. It should be savory with a bit of vibrance from the lime juice and a bit of sweetness, but not too much. Serve with warm jasmine rice and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.